doesn't want to be festive? These outdoor lights are going to be a game changer for any outdoor design. So these lights are the perfect way to add a little bit of extra sparkle to your home. I am loving the fact that these are safe for outdoors, so no matter if it's a little bit chilly or a lot chilly or if there's snow, no worry, these lights can deal with it all. Plus, I love how super easily they are to use. Not only do you just like plug it in and put them around, but also it comes with a super convenient remote. So this remote does everything from turning them on to turning them off, to setting a timer, to changing the different displays from either steady on in waves, fading, twinkle flashing, you name it, this does it. And you can even adjust the brightness. I've never had lights that have been able to adjust the brightness or to change different themes, things like that. So I'm super excited to try these out and let you guys know what I think of them. So the brightness setting allows you to choose from 4 different brightnesses, 25, 50, 75, and 100. It also has a timer function. So as you can see here, it's a 6-hour, an 8-hour, and then a really cool function as well too that allows you to have 6 hours on, 6 hours off, then 3 hours on, and 9 hours off. So the choice is yours, or you can just do it manually. You can turn it on and off whenever you'd like. The options are really yours. So like I was talking about before, they do have all these different little light features that I think are super unique. So they have steady on, in wave, sequential, slow go, chasing flash, fade, twinkle flash, and comb. So they really have made this dummy proof, or should I say Ashley proof, because I can so easily use these at the press of a button. The size of this 1200 LED light pack has a 10-foot of room right here that don't have the lights, so that you can plug them in and then have them have a little bit of space. And then of the lights, there is 393 feet of lights. So that is a ton of lights. I'm thinking that I can do a couple of bushes with this, hopefully, so that my front entrance will look fabulous. Plus, like I said before, I am loving the fact that these can withstand so many different temperatures, wind, rain. Where I live, it doesn't get super cold. I think the coldest it's been in a while is like 10 degrees, but you do not have to worry if it snows or if you just have really harsh weather, because these will withstand it all. I love products that are super durable and that I can really set and forget, and this product does not disappoint. I also love the fact that you can either leave these up year round or you can take them down after the holidays. Really, the choice is yours. But I do love the fact that when I move in a few months, I'm going to be able to take these with me, because I know there is a tree with these lights' name on it. Just because you can use these outdoor does not mean you can't use them indoor as well too. These would work inside a room, something like that, around the perimeter, anything like that, or just a light wall. I think that could be a really unique way to use these as well too. Really, the options are endless, which I love, so you need to check out these lights. So if you are looking to add a little bit of extra flair to your home, either inside or out, look no further. These LED lights are for you.